Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this twist out. It's really chunky and fluffy and it's really cute. I really like how it turned out. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this. And right before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I would love to, have you a part of the team and, supporting your girl, whatever. Just go and hit that button down below. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. What's up, y'all? What's up? I'm back. Yes, you already know what's going on. So yes, first I got my hair in this little bun. It's freshly washed. I just had to go to work, so yeah, that's why I put it up in this bun. But anyways, I'm gonna take it down and get started on these twists. So I'm gonna do real large twists, and they do not got to be perfect whatsoever, because mainly you don't want your parts to be, seen whenever your twist out is done and you take it down. So I just did parts wherever I felt like doing them in pretty large sections. So first I'm going to just re-wet my hair because, it done dried since I've been at work all day or whatever. So yeah, I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to make sure I detangle my hair really, really good, because you want your hair to be very detangled when you do these twist outs. So first product I'm going to start off with is the leave-in conditioner. And this is from Cream of Nature. It's their new line, their Pure Honey line. And I really like this leave-in conditioner. I just wish it was like in a different type of packaging, like a regular bottle or something, because this little spray is kind of annoying, and I wish, it was just in a different type of packaging. But other than that, I really like their leave-in conditioner. So next I'm going to start off with this twisting cream, and I'm going to use this to really give my hair some hold. And yeah, it's a part of the Pure Honey line as well. And I'm going to just use my brush one more time, like just to really make sure my hair is thoroughly detangled, okay? So now I'm just going to do pretty much a basic twist. Like, I'm not going to flat twist or anything in the back. I will get to that in the front. But just for the back and the perimeter of my head, I'm mostly going to just be doing a regular twist. Then I'm just going to twirl my fingers around the ends to make a little coil. And we good to go. So now I'm just going to do pretty much the same around the back of my head. Take, pretty decent sections. Spray it down with water. Do my leave-in. Do my twisting cream. And then twist it on up. Alright, so now I'm at the top of my head, and I'm just going to put these 2 large pieces into 2 flat twists. And y'all, I'm just going to let y'all know right now, I'm not the best flat twister, so it might look a little ratchet, but I mean, it's going to get the job done. So yeah, I'm just going to take that little first piece, and then make sure my hair is really good and brushed out. Then I'm just going to begin the flat twist. If y'all want to see like a tutorial on flat twisting, like, y'all might want to go check out somebody else's video, because yeah, I'm not the one to show y'all. I just do the best I can. Alright, so now I'm all done with my hair. I think I did like maybe 10 to 12 twists. So now I'm back and my hair is all dry. This is the next day. And now I'm going to take this growth oil. I mean, not growth oil. I don't know. What is this called? It's like Do Grow or something like that. I don't know. I'm going to leave it down in the description box for y'all. But it's just some oil I'm putting on my hands. And I'm using that to just really put some shine and, you know, help me take down my twist. So I'm just going to unravel all the twists. And then I'm going to go in and separate them. Okay, so now I'm just going to start in the back. And first I'm going to like shake it out to like try to separate it like that. And then I'm going to go in and just separate the hair to my liking. Okay, so now I'm just going to take my fingers and try to fluff it out as much as I can without really, you know, disturbing the curls. Then I'm just going to take this Curls Blueberry Bliss Edge Control Paste, and I'm going to use that to slick down my edges a little bit. And I wasn't liking how the front was looking, so I just put a bobby pin on each side of my head just to, you know, give it a little bit of a better look. And this is pretty much the finished look. I'm just doing a little fluffing. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you try this style out, let me know. Leave comments down below if you liked it. Yeah, I'll just see you guys in my next video. Bye.